Corn is a widely cultivated cereal crop around the world. Corn roots belong to a fibrous root system, which is extensive and capable of absorbing large amounts of water and nutrients, thereby providing the energy needed for the entire plant to grow. In the longitudinal section, we can see different parts of the root. At the very bottom is the root cap, which protects the root tip and helps the root penetrate the soil. Next is the meristematic zone, where cell division is most active, continuously generating new cells to push the root's growth. Following the meristematic zone is the elongation zone, where cells rapidly elongate, allowing the root to grow downward quickly. Finally, we have the maturation zone, where root hairs primarily form, increasing the root's surface area and improving absorption efficiency. Roots absorb water and nutrients through root hairs. Root hairs are extensions of the root that increase its surface area, making it more efficient at absorbing water and nutrients. The root hairs absorb water and dissolve minerals through osmosis, and these water and minerals are then transported through the xylem to other parts of the plant, providing the nutrients needed for growth. By observing the longitudinal section of a corn root under the microscope, we have learned about the structure and function of plant roots. Roots play an important role in absorbing water and nutrients, providing support, and storing nutrients.